My added comment to 8/22/23 encouragement pray for rain video on here, YouTube, Brooke John Puncho. I thought this was a good thing, a good point. Jehovah prayer point. If you understand the water cycles and scriptures, you can apply to your prayer life. My thought, people are praying for rain, probably out of religion, storms, hurricanes, or from people causing it. Told my family it's not overnight things to take. So take your time, read it over or play audio over. Make sure you read these scriptures so you'll know who created it, behind it, and you can pray for rain according to Jehovah's Word. JW.org website does have articles on the water cycle. We are Relentless Victory Performance Faith.